Hey everyone, just wanted to introduce a small feature we've added to the Bud runtime this week. While it's a simple feature, I believe it solves a real problem, at least for me. I have always hated reading license agreements, but with every new model now having its own license, I find it incredibly difficult to go through them every single time, even before using them. So we just automated that part. Just for the demo, let's assume I want to deploy an LLM for a commercial application and need to choose a model, say a LLAMA or a Qwen model. Let me show you what I should know before finalizing the choice. So here we go, this is the model repository. Let's first open up LLAMA model. You can see the key model details here. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the license details. The model is licensed under the LLAMA Community License Agreement. You can view and read the entire license agreement if needed, but that can be very time-consuming. You can click on the See More option here to get an automated analysis of the license agreement. All these green ticks you see indicate clauses in the agreement that work in your favor, things you don't have to worry about. However, you should pay attention to the red crosses. These highlight clauses in the agreement that could pose a concern for your project. For each point, Bud Runtime provides a short, clear summary, pointing out exactly which clause in the agreement might raise concerns. Let's go through a few of these points. For example, it's stated here that the license does not prohibit commercial use unless the licensee has over 700 million monthly active users. So if my deployment ever reaches over 700 million monthly users, that's going to be a challenge. I'd need to obtain a custom license from Meta. This means that monetizing the tool could be a concern. The same limitation applies when building commercial products. Here it says that the license is royalty-free, which is good as long as I stay under the 700 million monthly active users limit. These clauses about crediting the original software, adding disclaimers are pretty standard, but it could be a concern for companies that want to keep their stack hidden. Anyways, there are a lot more analysis points like these. Let's check out another model. Let's take a look at Qwen. Open the model, go to the license details and click See More. It's shown here that there are no limitations on monetization or commercialization, which is a clear advantage compared to LLAMA. There are a couple of red flags related to crediting the original work and including original notices, but those are generally manageable. However, this could be a concern for companies that prefer to keep their tech stack hidden. Overall, the Qwen license agreement has far fewer red flags. Anyways, this is just an example, but you get the point. You no more need to go through the lengthy license documents. Bud Runtime automates the process of license agreement analysis and makes it easy for you to choose the right model that fits your needs. While solving the biggest customer problems is crucial, we believe it's just as important to address the small, everyday issues that may be irritating them. And great news! We're going to be open sourcing Bud Runtime soon, giving developers full access to its inner workings so you can build, customize, and innovate without limits.